All right, hopefully this will be a quick and easy little video. I'm going to do this on my phone because the batteries in my camera are dead. I'd really like to have it in 4K, but it is what it is. So anyhow, I was asked for some help on how to reinstall the crane assembly. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to take mine out. And so to do that, we take a screwdriver that will fit in this tiny screw right there, and we're going to take it out. When I first did this, I noticed this screw was loose. So I think I'm going to put some Vibratite on it. There's a screw. Actually, the crane assembly pivot is the proper name for it. But Vibratite, if you don't know, that's Vibratite. And I'm going to put that maybe just like right here. Not all the way on it, just put a little bit on maybe 2 or 3 threads in that area just to help hold it. But anyhow, so we need to get this out now. And you'll probably need a specialty tool for this, which I have. And I have found that a Q-tip works pretty good. All you got to do is put the end of it on the pin there, and you're going to want to angle it, and you're going to push that way, and it should pop right out, just like that. There it is. So there's your plunger and spring, and I use this just to show you that you don't need to force anything. You don't need to hammer, pry. You don't need explosives or nothing like that. This should be easy. Okay, if it's not easy, then you're doing something wrong. Take a break, take a breath, and just take your time. But this pawl and spring is right about a 1/2 inch long. So 0.5 and some change. Okay, so to reinstall this, pawl and plunger, I keep calling it the pawl, spring and plunger, goes back in there, and then a lot of times this will just pop right into place. So you're gonna press this against the frame, right? You're gonna press it and slide it in, and if you got the hole lined up, it should pop right in. Did it? No. Okay, so what we can do is take our specialty tool, because we're not prying or anything, and we can pop it right in there. Okay, so I went at an angle inside on the assembly, and I pushed it that way so that the hole, so that the pin was in the hole. But you didn't see that. So that the pin would come through the hole. Okay. Let's do it again just for the heck of it. Angle it, push it out. There it goes. Nice and easy. I'm going to put it back together. Hope I'm staying in the camera frame. And then we're just going to push against the frame. Did it go? Did it go? Almost. Just a little too much. Like I said, sometime there it went. Now it's back in place. Okay. Make sure you put your screw back in place before putting the cylinder in there. Okay, this should go in easy. Screw down easy. I just have a hold of the shaft, the screwdriver turning it, so It should go in easy. That's down all the way. Okay, now let's take our cylinder. Cylinder that I'm sure everyone has put their shims in, right? Because it's going to be tight. Yeah, nice and tight. And so that's how you do that. Shims in the cylinder, and of course, shims on my trigger. Keep it centered. And I have shims also on the hammer dog. I don't know if you can see those. You might be able to. But it's all shimmed up. All right, so that's it. Don't force nothing. It should be easy. Don't get frustrated. Anyhow, I appreciate the question, asking for help. I'll do that for anybody that needs help or whatever. But anyhow, hope that was clear. Hope the Ruger and Casull brethren appreciate that. But take it easy. Thanks for watching.